Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. So today we are going to start a chapter which name is Natural Wonders. So while man-made sites like the ancient Egyptian pyramids, Great Wall of China and so on undoubtedly fill us with awe, many of the most impressive sites on the planet were crafted by Mother Nature herself. Given below are some wonders crafted by nature in all around the world. Identify and write their name. जो nature के through wonder जो हैं वो हमें लगता है कि wonder create किए हैं, तो वो natural wonder के बारे में हम ये पढ़ेंगे, आपको identify करना है, okay? First is, this place is in South Central Africa and on the Zambezi River between Zimbabwe and Zambia. The river here has a width of more than 1.6 kilometer and plunges 110 meter down. So this is picture से ही आपको पता लग रहा है Zambezi River पर ये है, that is Victoria Fall. See the help box. So this is Victoria Falls. Next is, this place named after the Spanish word for turtle is a unique ecosystem. It is home for the giant tortoise and several species of flightless birds, four-eyed fish and a marine iguana that can drink sea water. ये जगह जो है स्पेनिश वर्ड के ऊपर पड़ी है, ये टर्टल को स्पेनिश वर्ड में क्या कहा जाता है, सो दैट इज रेफर्ड एज, एंड ये यूनिक इकोसिस्टम है जहाँ पर आपको फ्लाइटलेस बर्ड मिलेंगे एंड फोर आई फिश आपको देखने को मिलेगी, मैराइन इग्वाना आपको मिलेगा. सो दिस प्लेस इज नंबर 2, दैट इज Galapagos Island National Park. So this is number 2. Okay, next is, scientists believe that 40,000 basaltic columns of this structure formed in northern Ireland about 50 million years ago, and these spectacular hexagonal pillars are about 40 to 50 centimeter in diameter and more than 6 meter high. So this is Giant Causeway. So this is number 3. Giant Causeway. Okay, next is number 4 is, this national park has trees that can weigh up to 19,50,460 kilogram. इतने बड़े बड़े trees यहाँ पर है, have a girth of over 30 meter and a bark 60 centimeter thick. The oldest living trees are between 2500 to 4000 year old. तो कौन सी ये जगह है बच्चे जहाँ पर इतने पुराने और इतने बड़े बड़े ट्री हैं? So number 4 is, that is Sequoia National Park. So this is number 4. Sequoia National Park. Next is, this place in Iceland is an unusual combination of geysers and glaciers, and here as two continental plates move apart, magma rises to the surface and this provides sources of energy which are used to heat homes, run factories and warm swimming pools. तो यहाँ पर दो प्लेट, कॉन्टिनेंटल प्लेट आपस में एक दूसरे से अलग हुई जहाँ से मैग्मा राइज अप हुआ और उसका जो यूज़ है सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी के रूप में किया जाता है टू हीट homes, run factories and warm swimming pools. So this place is number 5, that is Hot Springs in Northern Ireland. So this is number 5. Hot Spring. Okay. Next is, it is world's largest active volcano found in Hawaii, the US, measuring 10 km from the ocean floor to its summit crater and has a base circumference of 100 km. It has excluded lava approximately once every 4 years. Active volcano है ये, हर एक 4 साल के बाद लावा जो है वो बाहर निकलता है. So number 6 is, that is Mauna Loa. Okay, so this is number 6. Come to the next. That is, it is the world's largest desert found in northern Africa and extremely heat sparse rain and constant strong winds allow few species to survive. यहाँ पर कुछ species आपको मिलेंगी और बहुत ज़्यादा गर्म temperature है. This is the largest desert in northern Africa and it is about 1610 km wide and 5150 km long from east to west.